Hi, I'm Charles Dye, Service Advisor at Northshore Toyota, and today we're going to talk about Safety Connect. If your vehicle is installed with Safety Connect, you have a peace of mind whenever the unexpected occurs. You have an emergency assist button. Engaging the emergency assist button in your vehicle can contact you with a 24/7 response center agent who can request dispatch of necessary emergency vehicles to your vehicle's location in case of medical emergency or other emergency on the road. The vehicle is also equipped with automatic collision notification. Our 24/7 response center is automatically notified in the event of an airbag deployment or severe rear-end collision. The 24/7 response center agent will attempt to speak to the vehicle's occupants and notify local emergency services to request dispatch of emergency services to the vehicle's location. You also have stolen vehicle locator. Should you find yourself in a vehicle theft situation, immediately file a police report and notify our response center so agents can assist authorities in locating your vehicle using GPS technology. If you'd like to learn more about your Safety Connect system, come by and see us at Northshore Toyota. We're at 68500 Highway 190 Service Road in Covington, or give us a call. Our number is area code 985-801-2080.